When you're creating linear e-learning courses, it's always a good idea to add a Playbar. So today in this tutorial, let's learn how you can add and customize a Playbar to your Captivate courses. Also, we'll see how you can add a clean and neat border to your courses to make them look aesthetically good. I've created this course using a clean blue theme and it has some 13 odd slides. Let's see how the Playbar in this course looks like. So we'll go to Project Skin Editor, and here in this Skin Editor, to enable the playback control, to see this Playbar, you have to check this option. So if you uncheck it, the Playbar will be gone, but by default this is checked, so you will see the Playbar. And the best thing about this Playbar, you can see here, is that the color scheme that is decided for this Playbar comes from the theme that you have selected. So here we have used the clean blue theme, and the Playbar matches this particular theme. Let's see if we change this theme to something else, what happens. So let me just maybe change it to Woody. So when I change it to Woody and then go and view the skin editor, you will find that the color matches the theme. So this the color for the bottom bar is taken from the theme. Let's go back to our original theme. So I'll just do a Control Z. So we are back to clean blue, and now let's see how we can modify this Playbar in our project. So I'm going to back to skin editor, and here let's talk about these options that are available for you. So the first option is show playback control. The second is hide Playbar in quiz. So if you want to disable the Playbar when the learners are taking test questions, you can check this, and during the question slides, the Playbar will not appear. And this will allow you to restrict the learners from moving to other slides before answering the questions. So you want them to answer the questions, and they will, because they will have no other option to move out of that particular screen. So you can check this for that purpose. Also, you can place the Playbar on top of the screen. So if you don't want to waste this real estate, if you see there is this area which is outside the screen area that you have decided. So if you have created a course using 800 by 600 resolution and you do not want to go outside that area, you want to stick to that particular resolution, what you can do is you can use this particular area to add the playback control. So let's check this option, and you will see that it moves up, and this is coming from the border. Let's disable it for time being. You'll see that this option is selected here. I'll just disable it, and it will not show up. Okay, so here you can see that this Playbar is now a part of 800 by 600 resolution. Also, you can select this option, which is show Playbar on hover. So if you don't want the Playbar to appear all the time, what you can do is you can check this option, and this Playbar will appear on the first screen, and from the second screen it will appear only when you hover over it. So you can use this easily, and it will give you more space in your course. Let's see the other option. So you can also have the Playbar in 2 rows. So if you want the playback controls and the navigation control to be in separate rows, you can use this particular style. Also, you can alter the playback color. So if you've chosen a theme but you are not very happy with the color that is coming, you can easily change the background, button face, button glow, and button icon colors. Let's look at it. So here here's the background color, and you will notice that now in Captivate 6 you're allowed to add gradients to your TOC, to your Playbar colors. So here I can go and choose any of the gradients and select that as the color of my Playbar. So, or I can even customize it. So if I want to go and change this color to maybe I'll pick the color from here. I want this white color to be there, and this should be the blue color. So I want to make some changes to the Playbar, and the style I want is maybe this one. Okay. or yeah, this looks better. So I have a nice gradient here which is of my style, so I was easily able to modify these particular changes. Similarly, I can change the typeface, button face, button glow, button icon using either standard colors, or I can use the gradient colors as well. Also, you can position the play bar on top, left, bottom, and right. Bottom is the standard position for play bar, so that's the default option selected here, but you can easily go and change it to top, or you can change it to left or right. Let's put it back to bottom. And here you can choose which buttons or what controls you want to give to your learners. Do you want them to play, rewind, forward, back, close, mute, fast forward, progress bar, or closed captioning? So this is if you have audio in your course, it makes sense to have the mute button. If you don't have, if it's a text-based course or an on-screen text course, you can just disable it, so that control will go off. Also, if you have simulations in your course, it makes sense to have a fast forward button where they can increase the speed by 2 times or 4 times. But otherwise, in normal courses, I would not recommend using this option. But yes, simulations, you can give this control to your learners if they are well versed with that procedure and just want to skim through it. So this is an option for that. Also, you can enable or disable the progress bar. So if you want this to appear, you can select it. Otherwise, you can disable this and the progress bar will disappear from the bottom bar. I'll just select it again. Also, you can select the closed captioning button if you have added closed captions. So this will allow you to have the closed caption button where when it is clicked, it pops up the area, the caption area where the text is displayed. Also here you can change the settings, that how many lines you want, what should be the background, what should be the font settings for this closed captioning section. I will cancel this for now. And you can also decide what is the alpha level. So if you want this background to be say maybe a 50 alpha, so that a portion of the background of the course is visible, you can easily do that by choosing this option. Also, you can decide whether you want the tooltips to appear or not. So when you hover over these buttons, you get these tooltips of rewind, pause, back, forward, 2 times fast forward speed, and all that stuff. So if you want these tooltips to appear, select it. If you do not want it, just disable it, and this will not be displayed when the learners are hovering over the button. So if you feel that your students are advanced enough to understand the meaning of these buttons, just remove them. Ideally, when we start creating a course for a set of students and they are new to your course creation style, it's always nice to have the tooltips there. But if you feel that they are used to your course style and the buttons that you are using in the course, then it makes sense to just remove them from there. So it's all up to you. So this is how you can create and customize your play bars. Also, you can add cool borders out here and make your course look really slick. So here I can select show border, and these are the borders for all 4 corners. This border you see here is by default added by Captivate, which covers the play bar. So let's remove the overlay of Playbar and see how it works. And let me just enable border for all 4 sides. And you will see that there is a nice border surrounding this particular course. Let's change some of its style. You can either choose to have a square edge or a rounded corner edge. I like rounded better, so I will choose this. And you can decide the width of the border. This width is taken for the play bar by default, so you can go and change it. So let's make it to 10 to make it a little slick here. So I have changed it to 10, and here you can even change the standard color, the gray color that you see, to some texture. So you can see that there's this texture added. You can even try some more textures. There are some cool textures available which you can use. So if you feel the need of using these textures, go ahead and use it. But if you want to use standard colors, just select none here, and then you can change decide some of the color for this particular border. So I will just go and pick the color from the play bar so that it goes well with the family of colors that we have. Also, there's this interesting option of having an HTML background. So when you're viewing your courses in a browser, usually it comes on a wide screen, but you can easily change it by changing the color here. So maybe I want to see my course on a green colored background. So you can choose that, and when you publish the course and view it on a browser, it will come along with the color that you have chosen. That's it for the play bar and border. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a table of contents to your course and modify and customize it as per your requirements. Thanks for watching this tutorial.